VISKOU.
Welcome to VISKOU Pro YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deploy devices like an IP camera, a network video recorder, smart switch, and minimal devices by using the HikPartner Pro app on your mobile device. So by following this video, you don't need any laptop or computers to set up and manage all these devices. You only need your mobile device and you install HPP on it. So in this video, I will be using 3 devices. This will be the IP camera. This is a 1123G0E. This will be the network video recorder. This is a 7608NI-Q2. And this will be the smart switch that we'll be using. This is a 3E1105P-EI/M. So this is the overall connection of the whole system. You will need power supplies for the recorder and the switch. And then you will need to connect one of the ports from the switch back to the router. And the last part, you will need to connect the IP camera and the recorder back to the switch. There will be diagrams showing this whole connection. And after this, the connection are all set and we'll move on to setting up in HPP. So when we first get in HPP, you can see the inactive devices in SATP, and there will be 3 here, 1 switch, 1 IP camera, and 1 recorder. So I will be activating them one by one. The first one will be the switch, followed by the IP camera, and the last one will be the recorder. I will name the site as test, and I will add all of these devices into the same site just for further settings. So first one is the switch, followed by the IP camera. So moving on to the recorder. So for recorder, after you activate it, you will have the option to manual add IP channel or auto add IP camera into the recorder. But for this, I will manual add since I already activated the camera just now. So I will add the activated camera into the recorder as the first channel of the NVR. So after this, I will add the NVR into the site. So all the devices have been added. I will move on to the settings. I will be showing a live view of the IP camera. This is where you can select the resolution stream for the stream. You can turn the audio on or off. You can select a different layout if you want to view more channels at the same time. And of course, you can go into full screen mode as well. So moving on to the recorder, the settings will be the same, so I will be fast forwarding it. So if you get into the 3 dots for the device, there will be more settings like restart the device, reboot the device, restore, or even other settings like reset password or channel management for the recorder. So for further settings, I will move on to the device tab on the right. So as you can see, you can manage channel for the recorder, but the other settings are basic like live view, playback, edit IP address. So I will get into deeper settings. The first one will be the IP camera. When you get into it, you can see all the settings that are available, like system settings, and then platform access, where you can enable on with just in case you want to add into a third-party NVR. There will be image settings where you can change the names, and storage management, and the last will be event if your IP camera supports it. So moving on to the recorder, the settings will be almost the same, but there will be 2 main differences. So the first difference will be platform access, where you will not be able to do any settings regarding the NVR. And the second difference, there will be an extra channel management settings for the recorder, where you can add channel into the recorder or you can remove IP camera from the recorder. So the other settings like basic event and storage management will be the same. So I will move on to the last one, which is a switch. For smart manage switch, you can view the status for each port like power and bandwidth. You can also have the option to restart the port or enable extend mode for the port. You can also reboot the switch by going to the top right. So for demo purposes, I will be unplugging one of the devices from the switch, where you can see one of the port will become red. So there will be option to silence the alarm or restart the port, but I will silence the alarm for now, and I will be replugging in the IP camera into the port, so the port will become green again. There is a whole process of setting up devices by using our mobile device. This can save a lot of time by activating and managing all these devices by using HPP in our mobile phone. So that's the whole video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for this video. Thank you for listening and see you next time.
VISKOU